Okay, I have another quick tip. Quick tip for Soren. Hopefully, this is useful. I'm going to try to ascertain if this cell phone is turning on or turning off without any use of a cable or any measurement instrument. As far as multimeter or oscilloscope or something like that. When no screen, there's no screen on the cell phone. So consider how you could tell if a cell phone, like an iPhone, was turning on or turning off without the use of a cable or anything like that. It doesn't make any sound or there's no vibration. Just by getting near to it. And I'm going to show you. It's very simple. Let's see if I can get the camera straight here. Okay, so we have the cell phone. Adjust the exposure there a bit and focus it. This is the only camera I have really besides the iPhone. Okay. So we have the cell phone. Is it turning on or turning off when I push the button? There's no screen. We don't know. We don't hear anything. No noises. Is it turning on or turning off? So this is a quick tip. So we have a radio. This is AM radio. And if you put it on the AM radio, you can hear it. Okay, that was not a good example. So this is the good example here. We know from this that the cell phone is turning on, right? Because it's making a noise. Definitely it's coming from the cell phone. So we pull the power. The battery is disconnected. I hear the lamp, but no cell phone noise. So let me try again here. I've connected the battery. Here, I'm going to turn it on. It turned on, and it seemed to turn off. So from this, we know it's turning on and turning off. So hopefully that was useful.